Let us see an important concept in derivative contracts, okay, that is arbitrage, and how it helps in promoting the market efficiency. Okay, arbitrage is a concept, okay, that is used for pricing the derivative securities. Okay, and when the rate of return is greater than the risk free rate, then the arbitrage concept comes into picture. That means that the opportunity of arbitrage exists there. Okay, so here we will see that by considering two cases. Okay, the first case is the law of one price. Suppose in a portfolio there are two securities, security 1 and security 2, and both are going to give us equal future cash flow irrespective of whatever event may happen in the future, but security 1 is priced less than security 2. Okay, so what we can do, we can keep less price security 1 and sell off security 2. Okay, and we will get immediate profit by going short on security 2. Okay, because the profit can be generated from security 1 itself. Okay, now we will go to see the second case. Here certain amount of investment will be required. Here the suppose the portfolio consists of few securities, is going to give us a rate of return that is more than the risk free rate. Okay, and suppose we have borrowed the investment amount at a rate of risk free rate, and we got the rate of return which is higher than the risk free rate. Then what we will do, we will keep the excess amount and we will pay back the borrowed rate at the risk free rate, and we will keep this profit with us. Then if the rate of return is lesser than the risk free rate, what we will do, we will sell off the portfolio, we will invest the amount somewhere else at the rate of risk free rate. Okay, than to buy back the portfolio in the future. It will give us more profit to invest it somewhere at the rate of risk free rate than to buy back the portfolio. Okay, so this is about the arbitrage concept and how it helps in enhancing the market efficiency. Thank you very much.